Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the volume profile indicator on Webull. This powerful tool helps you visualize trading activity at different price levels, giving you a clearer picture of market sentiment. It's essential for identifying key areas where buyers and sellers have been most active, which can significantly inform your trading decisions and strategy. Getting started with volume profile on Webull is straightforward. First, open the chart for any stock you are analyzing. Then, locate the indicator settings icon, usually found near the top of your chart interface. From the extensive list of available indicators, simply select Volume Profile to activate it on your chart. Once activated, you'll see horizontal bars on the left side of your chart. Longer bars signify more trading volume at those specific price levels. The point of control, or POC, is the single price level with the most volume. The value area, or VA, represents the price range where roughly 70% of the day's volume occurred. Volume Profile offers valuable insights for your trading. High volume nodes often act as strong support or resistance. Conversely, low-volume nodes, sometimes called volume holes, can suggest areas where price might move quickly. For enhanced accuracy, consider combining volume profile with other technical indicators to confirm your trading hypotheses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.